Hi, on my last video I had showed the more details for the FM transmitter, and in this video I will show you how to broadcast the audio to the receivers, and I choose two types. This one is our TR502 FM radio, a very compact one, but the sound is very clear. I will show you later. And this one, this is a big size. It is very popular, and the model type is so big, right? TR618, very big one. You can see that. I will show you this one. I will show you later. This radio and this one, the two receivers. Okay, I will show you how to broadcast use the mic. This is our wireless mic TT123, and you can see that there is a power key, and I will put it on. You can see that there is a light, and this is also on the on condition, and the pin is 3.5 millimeters. I will connect it directly. Yeah, and I will show you the frequency. I will change it to the press this key to choose the function that you want to change, and to the 3. I will change the type to 87.7. Yeah, and the power I will change it to the maybe level will be better. There are 8 levels. 8 levels and 5 watts, so each level is about 1.8 watts. I will change it to the 3. The lowest level. It is enough because we will talk on this range. It is very short range. And you can see this type, the reflected power. When you use it, please make sure that it is lower enough so the working range will be longer. Okay. Now I will open this one and choose the frequency to this one. On. And change it to the FM. Yeah,
it's a simple concept. The problem is, it's very hard to do. It takes a lot of work, and it can take a lifetime to figure it out.
We also have one. I just connected with my Bluetooth.
If you want to do great work, it's going to take.
So it is broadcasted my Bluetooth now. I will stop it.
You are going.
Yeah, I stop it. I will talk it with the mic. This one, I will wear it and talk. Hello everyone, this is Ida. Okay, the sound is very clear. I will lower the volume. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Yeah, this is for the mic function. I will close it and choose the other type. Many people asked whether we can use the mic and Bluetooth at the same time. I will show you.
Have to break out.
Hello everyone. So you can broadcast the music and talk it on the mic.
But you know,
Yeah, the mic can. I will close it. Yeah, I will close it. There is many noisy. Yeah, the mic. This is for the wireless mic. So if you have the wired mic, it is also okay. And we also have the other type wireless mic. If you want to know more, please visit our website www.retekess.com or email us at support@retekess.com. We will supply the best price and the best solution for you. Okay, in my next video I will show you how to use the mic and U-disc and the audio. Okay, see you next time. Bye.